This is going to be page number 36. Okay, so the first question, they give us a simultaneous equation, 3L minus M equals negative 11. And they've stacked it for us, so I don't have to ask you guys to do that on your own. Okay, in the end, they want to know what is the product of L times M. Okay, so obviously we're gonna have to get rid of something. Is it easier to get rid of this where the numbers are not the same, or get rid of this where the numbers are the same? It would be to get rid of this, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decide to subtract it, because when I subtract it, I have to multiply that sign into everything. So that's going to make this a plus sign, that's going to make this a plus sign, that's going to make this a minus sign. Okay, I'm distributing the subtraction sign. And the reason I want to do that is this is a negative m. I want to make that into a positive m so I can cross it out now. That's going to add up to 5L. And this is going to equal to 30. Negative 30. Okay, so if I take out a 5, I take out a 5, L is going to equal negative 6. And just like the problem I did in the math questions for homework or for the lecture, if you want to find, okay, so L is going to be negative 6, so put that right there. I need to find out what an M is. All I got to do is take one, plug it back to either one. It's going to be the same thing. So I'm going to plug it back to this one. So 3 times negative 6 minus M equals negative 11. Okay, so 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Minus M equals negative 6. Sorry, this is negative 11. Okay, so I'm going to go plus 18, plus 18. That's going to cross out. Negative M is going to equal 7. Okay, and then after that, I got to divide out the negative 1, so those cancel out. Divide out with negative 1. M is going to equal negative 7. Okay, so negative 6 times negative 7 is, negative times a negative is a positive, 42. Easy peasy. Okay, so that was number 8. Now we're going to do number 14. Number 14, it says y equals x squared plus x minus 10, y equals 3x minus 2. In the equation above intersect each other at 2 points. Which of the following is true about both points of intersection? Okay, so if you're looking for intersection points, that means that the y values and the x values will be the same for both equations, okay, at those intersection points. And you know, if you don't understand that math that way, I already taught you one thing. What is similar about these two? They both equal to y. So what would these equal then? They would equal each other. Okay, so again, these two equal y's, therefore these have to equal each other. You could set them up to equal each other. Okay, so let's join them all. So I'm going to go negative 3x, plus 2, cross those out. Those will all equal 0. And now I'm going to get negative 8 here. I'm going to get negative 2x, and I'm going to get x squared. Okay, so I got x squared minus 2x minus 8, and then from here I could find out through the Xbox method or whatever method you use, what times what is 8, 4, and 2, but if you were to mess around with them, you could add them or subtract to 2. That would have to be a negative, that would have to be a positive, x would be 4, and x would also be negative 2. Okay, so what do we know about both of these based on the answers? They are both, if you look at answer B, it wouldn't be B. B is x is greater than negative 2. No, that one, it needs to be equal to. So that one's out. And we see that all of them are greater than negative 3. So answer A is your answer. This next question is super easy. Number 17. It says at Dina's Diner, an order of 2 bags of French fries. So 2 bags of French fries and 1 burger cost $5.80. An order of 1 bag of French fries and 2 burgers costs $6.20. What is the cost of orders of 3 bags of French fries? Well, how do I get to 3 bags? They want me to get to 3 bags of French fries and 3 burgers. That's easy. How do I get there? I could just add these things. 3b, or 3b down there. 3f plus 3b, which is exactly what I see right here, my goal, equals 0, 0. It should be $12.